12 people and no more can sit evenly spaced around a large square table. Rohan arranges 8 of these square tables in a row to make one long rectangular table. What is the maximum number of people that can sit evenly spaced around the long table? And there are 5 possible answers. Now, the way I saw this is thinking about what it asks us to do. So it says that we've got a square table and we're sitting people around here. There are 3 on each side. And if we put them in a long row, what we're doing is putting them like this, where there are 3 here, 3 here. We can't put 3 here because they're tables that are next to each other. So we've got to find out what the largest is 8 of these square tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 17, 18. The answer is 54, and that is B.